Title: Filipino Contemporary Art Exploring Sabel by Ben Cab. Good morning everyone, peace and love. Today we delve into the vibrant world of Filipino contemporary art by focusing on the painting titled Sabel, created by Benedicto Cabrera, widely known as Ben Cab. Sabel by Ben Cab, a contemporary masterpiece. This masterpiece, crafted between 2003 and 2005, is a testament to Ben Cab's influence on the Filipino art scene and his exploration of identity and social issues. Benedicto Cabrera, better known as Ben Cab, is a figurative painter from the Philippines. He is recognized as a pioneer of Philippine art. Ben Cab's painting often depict figures wrapped in flowing fabrics, in muted tones and earthy color palettes. The artist emphasized the face of Sabel, which is plain but full of emotions. He made use of primary and bright colors contrasted with a dark background, directing the eyes of the viewers to Sabel's face. At first look, the work has an impression of grief, loneliness, and madness. The lines are geometric and abstracted, arranged in a diagonal and curvilinear manner. The curvilinear lines give an effective and natural feeling. On the other hand, the geometric and abstracted lines present a rhythmic feeling as portrayed by the white blanket in the image. There are soft lines that helps create tenderness and warmth in the painting, as seen in Sabel's hair and in her red blanket. The diagonal lines provide spontaneity because they stimulate calmness. Ben Cabrera's magnum opus is Sabel paintings, but these paintings evoke loneliness. The most distinguishable features that captured Sabel's emotion is her eyes, that have intensity to it. Ben Cab has a perfectly portrayed the sentiment of Sabel, which is passed to the viewers where they can relate to. While observing it even more closely, the artist himself is trying to convey while feeling lonesome and insanity. One can also achieve calmness. Ben Cab is a figurative painter from the Philippines. Ben Cab's paintings often depict figures wrapped in flowing fabrics, in muted tone and earthy color palettes. In 2006, he was awarded the Order of National Artist for Visual Arts from the Philippine government. In 2009, Ben Cab established the Ben Cab Museum, a space intended for the display of Ben Cab's artwork alongside his personal art collection and indigenous Filipino artworks. In 1964, Ben Cab encountered a homeless Filipino woman named Sabel. He became interested in her disposition as a scavenger and viewed her symbol of isolation and despair. Ben Cab began sketching and painting Sabel, depicting her as the central character in his figurative paintings. In Ben Cab's mind's eye, Sabel was a symbol of dislocation, despair, and isolation, the personification of human dignity threatened by circumstance. The artist emphasized the face of Sabel, which is plain but full of emotion at first look. The work has an impression of grief, loneliness, and madness. Ben Cab's painting Sabel successfully showed its message about how the society took someone else's chance to live through isolating them instead of accepting and helping them to move forward in their life. It has a significant impact on society in several ways, reflecting social issues. Artists often use in their work to comment on pressing issues in society. In the Philippines, Contemporary art often minors the struggles, hopes, and experiences of the people. Ben Cab or Benedicto Cabrera is a renowned Filipino artist known for his contribution to contemporary Philippine art. His legacy is deeply intertwined with Sabel. A recurring subject in his works, Sabel represents the marginalized. Often depicted as a woman living on the fringe of society, Ben Cab's exploration of Sabel reflects a broader narrative of social consciousness, capturing the essence of humanity and the struggle faced by the marginalized. Through his art, he not only showcases his technical prose but also elevates the dialogue on social issues, leaving a lasting impact on the art scene in the Philippines. In conclusion, Sabel by Ben Cab stands as a significant work in Filipino contemporary art, showcasing the artist's unique style, social commentary, and cultural influences. The painting not only reflects the complexities of identity but also contributes to the rich of tapestry of Filipino artistic expression. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of Sabel by Ben Cab.